You cannot just go around eating anybody that you want to.
I cannot.
No, you cannot.
Pipe, Bracey. Oh, go, baby, go! Go! Woo, Brewski! Hold it down! Hold it down! Hold it down! You did that!
There is nobody's out here. You see this? Nobody's there. You're barking at nobody.
I was thinking something different though, like, no, I don't like that idea. You think? No, I said no.
Sit. Good girl.
Sit. Good girl.
Stop! I don't like this game!
I put her in her bed. Look at where she's at. She got from there to there.
Give your dog a fish.
Leroy.
Michael, we need to speak with you.
Leroy.
This God is back.
Palpatine.
You didn't think the cage was something on its own, did you?
That makes me question getting married. Can you like think of me? Like how hard this is for me?
Walter. We are taking turns sitting in the back seat. Everybody else sat in the back seat.
Here, Rocco. Since you've been begging for my chicken, there you go. That's what you've been begging for. It's the chicken. Oh my gosh, you are so bougie. This is the high maintenance stuff I'm talking about, Rocco. Here's the ranch with it.
Agora tá pegando.
A mamãe tá fazendo brincadeirinha. Cadê o neném?
These dogs have no clue what personal space is. Do you? No, you don't.
You ready, Brad?
We got her first big toy. I think she likes him.
Speak. Ryan, speak. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy.
Then my head hit the wall. But I had a
Oh, Norman, here. Talk to me. Oh.
Yep, they did it again.
Who's at fault, the baby or the dog?
Y'all busted. What is going on? Look at y'all. Look at y'all too. Under here. Eating more vanilla wafers. Y'all just don't care. I keep hiding the snacks from y'all and y'all just keep taking more. Sad. Dylan. Bella. Snack.
It's pretty cold here in Vegas this morning, and Salem keeps staring at me, which means he probably is cold and wants a sweater on. I'm gonna see if he'll get it for me like he does. Salem, what do you want? Get it! Get it! You want your jammies on? Okay, let's put them on. Let's put them on. Come on, let's get them. Are you nice and warm now? Look at that. Your ears are even warm.
You guys know that I'm going to get up and I'm going to go to the bathroom and I'm going to be back in like 60 seconds, okay? And there's no reason for you all to get up and follow me, all right? Y'all just stay put. Oh, okay. Was this necessary?
Wants to be first. You looked first, it's yours. Let's use a metal comb to line comb one side of Miko. During the winter, I usually do what I call maintenance grooms instead of a deep dive groom like this one. However, with the temperature fluctuations we've been having
Wednesday, there will be lots of treats there. Hopefully we can have breakfast and dinner at the office because breakfast and dinner will be available if we go there. You are so
I get my homework done. Clyde, I don't have time right now. No. Clyde, we can't. I have to get this done. I'm sorry. Come on, Clyde. Please. Can I get this done? Come on. There you go. Stop. No. No. Clyde, okay. I guess I'm done. Okay.
Pete.
He's not even looking at you, babe.
Pete.
He's pissed. Oh my
Pete.
god.
Are you pouting?
Look at that. Oh shit!
Are you pouting right now? What's wrong?
Oh my goodness. Ow! Just for the record, he was already fed this morning. And not that long ago either.
Nope. Nope. No! Don't you hit me. You're such a baby. You're a baby. You're a baby.